Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, mukhang aswang lang. Naka-jacket kami kasi malamig today. Kaya mga ganito ang mga itsura namin. Itsura ko lang pala. Ayan guys. Sasama na naman kayo kasi may pupuntahan kami. Magtingin-tingin lang kami ng ano doon kasi nasira yung what did you broke, mahal da?
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal? Oh, garbage disposal daw.
It's leaking.
Oh, it's leaking. Yung tubig na ano yan doon sa hugasan namin. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng pupunta kami sa where we going, mahal? Menards or Home Depot?
Either one or both.
Yeah. So, pupunta lang kami doon para titingnan namin, bibili kami doon ng yun nga, papalitan siguro niya yun. Hindi ko naman alam kung anong gagawin niya. Pero makikita nyo naman. Bibidyohan ko para makita nyo kung ano yun. Kasi kauwi ko lang kasi sa work sasama lang ako sa kanya kasi meron lang din akong titingnan doon. Kaya let's go guys.
It's windy.
Yeah. Hindi maganda ang panahon ngayon. Yung kalangitan nagbabadya. Ayan oh. Yung cloud wa.
Geese.
I think Brandy have that. Just like that one. Yeah. Yeah, we should bring eggs. I think that eggs is
Ducks. She has chickens.
Okay. No, not. I don't know. It's not a chicken. It looks like a duck. She's, yeah. Tingnan nyo naman yung langit. Oh. Ang ganda ng cloud, ano? Kita nyo, no? Ang ganda ng cloud. Iko, guys. O, diba? Ang bilis namin. Dito kami sa The Home Depot. Tingnan nyo. Anong presyo niyan? Oh my gosh. Diba? Mahal pa yan ngayon. Pero pag nag-ano yan, isisil din nila yan sa katagalan. Kaya tayo natin na magsige. Okay, pasok na tayo. Lamig. It's cold today. Let's go, let's go. Susunod lang tayo sa kanya. Oh, bakla. Baklang walang puwet. Nothing. Again. Baklang baboy. Hurry up. Baliw.
Alright, you have a great day.
Thank you.
Are you folks finding everything okay?
Yeah, so far, thanks.
Oh, this is this one you're looking, mahal? This,
yeah.
Oh.
We have
Yan
this brand, but it's half horsepower.
Huh?
We have this brand, but it's half horsepower. This one? Yeah, not that one. That one. That's the one we have.
Oh. Guys, so yan yung mga price niya. Ayan.
Only 3-year warranty.
Hmm?
Only 3-year warranty.
3-year warranty?
Yeah, that's it.
What is that?
What?
No, I mean they have something like noise.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's the one we have. Same one.
Yeah. Same?
Yeah. Okay. No, it's not as bad as I thought. I was thinking 160 to 200.
How much?
Only 120.
120?
Yeah, I was thinking it was going to be more.
Okay, so tingin tayo dito ng mga ilaw-ilaw. Ay, saan ba? No, over here. Ito ang paborito. Oh, Mal, they have a plant.
Trees, you mean?
Oh, trees.
Like apple tree.
What's that?
Apple tree.
Apple trees? Oh.
You want apple tree?
Tingin tayo ng mga ilaw kasi nagbabalak na naman ako. Yan guys, ang gaganda. Kaya tingin-tingin muna tayo. Wait. Look fancy, huh?
This one.
Where? This one? Oh, I don't know. I don't like.
Of course, everything I think is neat. You don't
No, we're different tastes. So, oh, marunong ka pa sa akin eh.
The ceiling is slanted.
It's not even?
No. So you need something like the chain or something. No, because it says slant.
Really? How can you put ours?
Because it's more of single. So it has a chain so it swings down
No, I
straight.
mean this one, this one.
I know
This,
which one you're looking
this
at.
one, I like that one.
I don't know if that would be work.
Why not?
Because of the angle of the ceiling.
I like that. What you doing? Ah, you get it?
I'm reading.
Huh?
I'm reading.
Are you reading?
It's this one here.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's different. It's that one.
Huh?
It's this one. So
Oh yeah, yeah, that one is different. Oh, the other one, mahal. The same price, huh?
yeah.
Ganda kasi yun, diba?
Nothing to read.
Ang pata. What's that?
It's another latch. I'll put it on the other gate.
Oh,
I like that one. Is it
at the back?
on the side, on the other side? I already did the one that.
Oh,
I already did the one yesterday.
oh, so that one it's
It's for the
Travis
in
side?
between- Yeah, Travis
Ah,
side.
okay.
I like it because it doesn't. You don't have to tie it. You know.
Okay.
It should hold the gate.
Yeah. Yeah lang tayo.
Right?
Nothing. Don't worry. Yalang tayo. Yan ang yalang. Ayan, mag-check out na siya. Guys, lumipat kami sa ibang store. Ang bilis, no? Ang bilis nakalipat eh. Magkalapit lang kasi sila. Kaya, tingin-tingin lang kasi yung asawa ko. Ayun pa guys, nakikimaritis pa tong isa. Maritis talaga.
Let's keep giving us more.
Ay, nako. Nakikimaritis pa eh. Bahala kayo dyan. Oh guys, we're home na. Bilis no. Ayan, umpisa na niya yung ano niya. Ito yung nabili niya, oh. Yan. Kasi,
This is 3. There's only 2.
huh? Ah, yeah. So, dito yan guys. So, sa ilalim ng sink namin. Kasi nasira kasi. Ito yun guys, ang papalitan niya. Yan, kaya umpisa na niya ang kanyang trabaho. Na ano kasi may, ano daw, may butas daw. Yan, may mga towel. Here we go, mahal! Start working na! Start working na! Okay guys, ayan. You need help? Okay. Diba? Nag-o-offer naman tayo, Pala lang kasi. Charot. I said I offer my... Tingnan natin. You need help? Oh. Kaya ba? Kaya? Kaya? Hindi ako naintindihan. Kilikili, mahal. I see your kilikili. Where's your kilikili? Oh, di ba? Kahit na nagkanda hirap-hirap na. Umaano pa rin eh. Alexel Prada, you need to help Daddy. Help. Help Daddy, baby. Yan guys. Kasi tatanggalin niya yan. Dirty?
Yeah.
No, put it in the...
No, give me something. Bring it over here. There's more in here.
You want this one? What's that inside? It's just like
I don't know, but it stinks.
You stink?
Yeah.
Maybe the dirt.
It's from the...
From the...
It's from the dishwasher.
Yeah.
Maybe that's... I don't know. See here? See the light and then... You see the difference?
Yeah. Hindi naman kayo nakakatulong, bibi eh. Prada Alexil? You're not helping. Oh, you wanna help Daddy? Good Daddy, help Daddy. You wanna help Daddy? Tagay! Ganyan siya talaga pag nagtatrabaho. May kasama talaga. Ay, wala nang laman.
Okay.
Ano ba yan? Refill? Challenge. Number 2. Okay.
Challenge.
Ayan na guys. Ilalagay na niya ang kanyang...
I don't know this time.
Why? You don't know if it's work or what?
Well, it should work.
Oh,
Better
yeah.
work.
Yeah, make sure. Or else, I make tok-tok for you.
Make
Tok-tok
what?
daw. I don't know.
I need that little
What?
square wrench right there.
The little what?
The little wrench. Little, like, L shape on both
Oh,
ends.
the L1, this one.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
What?
The one, the metal one.
okay.
There you go,
Yan na guys, ilalagay na niya. Ay, sa kabila. Ay, di ba na makikita? Lipat tayo dito. Nahihirapan. Ayaw magpatulong eh. Ay, siya. Madali lang naman yan. Ayun o.
yeah. Oh, shit.
Stay.
What's up, baby?
Okay. Nalaglag. You need help, mahal?
Maybe.
Okay, you want me to hold it? What you want me to do?
I just need to figure this out real fast.
Yan na guys, so papakita ko lang sa inyo mamaya kung tapos na, okay? Kasi tutulungan ko siya, nahihirapan eh. Ayan na guys! What happened?
I tipped over water.
Ayun na guys, natapos na niya. Ayun, ayan. Good job, mahal.
That's not it's
Yeah,
to see.
he try. Ayan.
No leak.
Subukan niya yung gripo namin kung wala bang tulo sa ilalim. Nabe?
No leaks.
Oh, nothing.
Hold your breath. Ready? Oh, it works.
Yeah, no leak.
No leaks?
Yeah. Guys, good job! Yan. Diba? Nothing mahalay ka na't sinilik. Good job! Yan. Then, natapos na. Makapaghugas na ako. Kasi mahirap ko lang ginagamit yung dishwasher eh. Yan guys, thank you. Thank you, Mahal. Mahal, see, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share my wife's video.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye mga bishi.
Bishies.
Your hand is dirty. Thank you mga
Just like my
bishi.
mind.
Bye-bye. See you in my next video.